Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to download and install the official Zoho Books app on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books official website. Scroll down or look for the Apps section, and then click on Download for Windows. This will start downloading the Zoho Books installer for your PC. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions by clicking Next, accept the license agreement, and choose the location where you want to install the app. Then click Install. After the installation is finished, open the Zoho Books app. Sign in with your Zoho account credentials. Once logged in, you'll have full access to your Zoho Books dashboard and features directly from your PC without needing a browser. And that's it. You're ready to manage invoices, expenses, payments, and more right from the desktop. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.